Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will exploring some fabulous curtain designs to elevate your windows treatment and add style to your space. Curtain not only provide privacy and control light, but they also serve as a decorative element that can transform the look and feel of a room. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Choosing the right fabric. The fabric you choose for your curtain can greatly impact the overall aesthetic of your space. We will discuss different fabric options such as linen, velvet, sheer, and patterned fabrics. Discover how each fabric can create a different modern style and learn tips for selecting the right fabric based on your desired look and functionality. Length and hanging styles. The length and hanging style of your curtains can make a significant difference in the visual impact of your windows. We will explore various options including floor length curtains, cafe style curtains, and layer curtains. Learn how to create the right length and hanging style to enhance the proportions of your room and create a tailored and stylish look. Color and pattern coordination. Curtains provide an excellent opportunity to introduce color and patterns into your space. We will discuss how to coordinate curtain colors and patterns with your existing decor, whether you prefer subtle and neutral tones or bold and vibrant designs. Discover how color and pattern coordination can add visual interest and tie together your room's aesthetic. Curtain hardware and accessories. The hardware accessories you choose for your curtains and can add the perfect finishing touches. We will explore different curtain rods, finials, and tiebacks and other accessories to enhance the style and functionality of your window treatments. Learn how to select hardware that complements your curtain design and complement the overall look of your room. Curtain styling and layering. Styling and layering your curtains can elevate their visual impact and functionality. We will discuss different techniques such as using sheer curtains for diffuse light, layering curtains with blinds or shades for privacy, or adding variances or swags for an elegant touch. Discover how to achieve a layered and stylish look that suits your personal style. That's wrap up our curtain designs, curtain ideas for stylish window treatments video. We hope these videos have inspired you to transform your window and elevate your space with beautiful curtains. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your favorite curtain idea. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor content. Until next time, happy curtain shopping and enjoy your stylish window treatments.